2015 Fat Boy has a Screaming Eagle performance pipes, and we're going to swap those out with the Vance and Hinds performance pipes. So we'll do a little comparison here of the sound and see how it goes. Okay, in comparison, we now have the Vance and Hinds 16483 pipes on the motorcycle, so we can listen to the difference between the Screaming Eagle performance pipe and the Vance and Hinds. Now, as a side note, the Screaming Eagle pipes did have a catalytic converter in it, and these do not. So refer to your local emission standards if that's okay or not. So let's crank her up and see what it sounds like.